When it comes to 3D scanning services in Chennai, one name that stands out is Scon Design India Private Limited. Scon Design is a leading provider of innovative and accurate 3D scanning solutions in the city. With their state-of-the-art technology and skilled team of professionals, they offer comprehensive 3D scanning services to a wide range of industries. Scon Design understands the importance of precision and accuracy in 3D scanning. Their cutting-edge scanners are capable of capturing even the smallest details with utmost clarity, ensuring that the final scanned model is an exact replica of the original object. Whether it is for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, Scon Design's 3D scanning services can meet the diverse needs of their clients. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design for 3D scanning services in Chennai is their expertise in handling complex projects. They have successfully completed numerous projects for clients across various industries, including automotive, aerospace, medical, and consumer goods. Their team of engineers and technicians have the knowledge and experience to handle projects of any scale and complexity, delivering high-quality results within tight deadlines. Scon Design also offers customized 3D scanning solutions to cater to the specific requirements of their clients. They understand that every project is unique and may have specific challenges that need to be addressed. By working closely with their clients and understanding their needs, Scon Design can tailor their 3D scanning services to provide optimal results. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design also prides itself on its commitment to customer satisfaction. They believe in building long-term relationships with their clients by providing exceptional service and support throughout the project lifecycle. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Chennai. With their state-of-the-art technology and skilled professionals, they offer high-quality scanning solutions for various industries. Whether it's for product development, reverse engineering, or quality control, Scon Design has the expertise to deliver accurate and precise results. Their 3D scanning services are highly sought after in Chennai due to their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. They utilize advanced scanning equipment that can capture intricate details and dimensions of objects with utmost precision. This allows their clients to obtain accurate digital replicas of physical objects, which can be used for various purposes such as virtual reality, prototyping, and documentation. Scon Design takes pride in their team of highly skilled engineers and technicians who have extensive experience in 3D scanning. They understand the importance of delivering accurate results within tight deadlines, and they go above and beyond to meet their clients' expectations. Their expertise in using cutting-edge software and hardware ensures that every scan is of the highest quality. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design for 3D scanning services